Hi guys, we have 2009 Toyota Prius here. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required or engine oil change, lights. And the way you do it is, remember, your feet should be or must be off the pedals. You don't want to start the car. And what you're going to do is first make sure you turn the start button twice until you get to the trip, and you need to reset or make the trip to the mileage by pressing the odometer. You need to go in mileage, and then you need to turn it off the car, and then again you're gonna have to turn on the car. But before you turn on the car, you have to press and hold, before you turn the car, these two buttons. So you're gonna press these two buttons, then you press the start button, and that's how you're going to start. On the dash you're gonna see some lines start blinking and then going in back order to cancel. That's going to be the maintenance cancellation procedure or reset procedure. So again, feet off the brake, you press these two buttons, the odometer and the kilometer mph button. You hold these, then you press the start button twice, 1 and 2, and you see the blinking light, and that's it, and you saw the zeros. That was the maintenance required reset procedure for this particular vehicle. In most Toyotas I've actually seen, this just could be done with the odometer trip button being pressed, but on this particular one, 2009 Prius, you have to hold these two. That's it. Again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.